I hope you are all excited for this journey. So let me know in the chat, people. How's the Josh? How are you all doing? Are you all excited? If yes, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo and a fire, and then we will get started, people. Yes, come on, guys. Everybody, I want to see some energy in the chat, and then only we are beginning. Okay. We have crossed a long distance, and now we are finally moving on to calculus integration. Okay, it's gonna be super duper amazing, and in today's class we will look at the basics. Okay, children, so shall we get started? Fantastic. And how do we start? We always start in style. So people, like I always say, I will be teaching you some good content, the basics of integration today. So it is very important that you don't miss out on anything because of some minor tech issues. Okay, so please answer this question in the poll which I will share right now so that I can correct any problem in the beginning only. Got it? So everybody please respond to me in the poll. I'm going to start it now. And I'm going to close it in just 5 seconds. So you guys have to be ultra fast. Okay? Don't think too much. It's a very simple question. Can you all see me and hear me very well? Then click on yes. If there is some problem, let's say audio lag or video lag or some tech issue, then you can click on no. I will tell you what to do. Got it? So I'm going to close it in 3, 2, and 1. That's it. So that ends your hotspot. Let me show you the results. So as you guys can see over here, the green bar indicates all those who are having a smooth session. And the people who clicked on no, what are the tricks? You guys are already aware of it. What are the tricks to make your session better? The first suggestion or idea is to check your internet speed. Why? Because guys, you are attending an online class. So of course your internet speed needs to be decent. Got it? Then the second suggestion is to refresh your page. So when you refresh your page, things become better. So that is my suggestions to you. If you are not able to get it better with these two, then you can call this toll-free number and then they will help you out. Okay? So with that, people, let's go into integration. And just before that, let me remind you all of the agreement that we have between us. I hope you haven't forgotten about this. So this is an AI live class. I hope all of you are aware of it. So AI live class means the video that you see of me, Shimon sir explaining concept, teaching some cool manipulations, techniques, shortcuts. So that video is already recorded. Okay. So that is the reason why I may not be able to call out everybody by name. I may not be responding to each and every message that you send. Okay. But the polls that you attend, the quizzes that you answer, the hotspots that you're a part of, all that is a live experience. How? Because you are basically competing with the other students, other friends that we have in this batch. So they're also live answering these polls, quizzes, hotspots with you. So it is a real-time experience. Got it? That is the beauty of technology. That is why it's called AI Live. Okay. But one genuine question you can ask me is, sir, what about my doubt? It's okay if you don't call my name or if you don't respond to my individual message. That's all right. I can understand. But what about my doubts? If I have a genuine question in what you're teaching, then how do I get them resolved? My dear friends, we of course think about all this because Vedantu is always a step ahead when it comes to students. Okay, and one of our top priority is doubts of students, and hence we have highly qualified class teachers with us. So I am your master teacher. Okay. So apart from me, there is another teacher who is live in the chat. And that teacher is class teacher. Okay. So if you have any doubts, let's say when I'm teaching, you are having one question in your mind, which I am not answering, then you can just message it to the class teacher in the Q&A doubts panel and they will get back to you. But here I want to tell you one thing, guys, when you are messaging your class teachers, try to be polite and try to be patient because it will take some time for you to get the response. I don't want you to panic or get frustrated because ultimately, what are we here for? We're here to learn and grow. And that will happen best when you have fun, when you are happy. Okay, I totally believe in that. And I'm pretty sure you guys also would have experienced it, isn't it? When you're happy and energetic, things seem a lot easier. True, na? So let's maintain it that way. And this is our mutual agreement. I hope all of you have gone through all the points. Now, let's begin. Shall we? Are you guys ready to rock integration with me? Let me know in the chat, people. Everybody, give me a fire. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo if you feel you're all excited and ready for this journey. So where is integration, sir? Yes, guys. First, I'll introduce you to the topic. Then we'll move inside. Okay. Everyone, fantastic. That is the spirit. That is the energy I was looking for. Now, let's begin. So people, first of all, I want everybody to realize that your integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Okay. So that is the first and the foremost thing which you have to understand. Okay. And initially, integration has a steep learning curve. That means if you want to be good right from the start, in the initial stages, you need to take down a lot of formulas and retain them. So today, in the first 20 minutes itself, I will load you with formulas. You will be thinking, sir, what are you doing? You're giving only formulas. Because in the initial stages of integration, you need to know all the basic integrals. So I will give them to you in the coming 20 minutes so that you guys can use them in examples. Got it? I'm just giving you a heads up so that all of you are ready with your pen and paper or notebook. Okay. Now, like I said, integration is basically the reverse process of differentiation. This is how a common man will understand it. But we are all mathematicians, so we need to dive deeper. But before we dive deeper, let's understand what are the applications so that our chapter is intriguing. We'll have that curiosity to learn. Sir, do we actually use integration in real life? Absolutely yes. Very much we use it. Okay. In real life, we use it a lot. Okay. Much more than some of the other chapters. So where do we use it, sir? We use integration to find area between curves. For example, this can be applied in manufacturing of cars, manufacturing of engines. Why do we need to find area in engines, sir? Hello, heat dissipation. Heat dissipation from your engine depends on surface area. So there you'll have application of integration. Distance, velocity and acceleration. I need not say anything about this because you guys know it. How? 11th standard. Hello. You studied it in 11th standard, na? All your physics, motion in 1D, 2D, parabola, all those things. So there you applied integration basically. You learned your basic calculus and you are trying to use it, isn't it? Then volume of objects. Again, to find capacity. When you have an irregular object. See, you guys know volume of cube. Everybody will be like, yes, sir. Volume of cube is so easy. Volume of cuboid, very easy. But if I give you a random shape, let's say this water bottle, find volume inside, man. Can you do it? Sir, can I assume this to be a cylinder? That's what we'll do, right? But guys, volume of an irregular object you have to find with the help of integration. So like that, integration has a lot of uses. Okay. Your center of mass, arc length, surface area, work, and so on. Cool. So these are all the applications. So it is a very important topic to learn. I hope now you'd have realized that, isn't it? So let us go forward and try to expand on what I said. I said integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Why, how, and how do we represent it? Okay. So let's go into the basic details. Here we go. So guys, whenever you differentiate a function capital F of x, let's say you have d by dx of capital F of x. The derivative of that is equal to small f of x. This you all know. You studied it with me over the last few classes, isn't it? That is what we have been doing. Your differential calculus. So let us say derivative of capital F of x is small f of x. Now what did I say? I said that integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Correct now? So we can write the integral of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus we always add a constant c which is called as constant of integration. This is the format to write an integral. So integral of a function, always it comes with dx. Okay. Dx because x is the variable here. And that is equal to capital F of x plus c. So if I want you to have a hands-on experience, more feel in this, then I'll give you an example. Everybody listen carefully. We all know that d by dx of sin x is cos x. Correct now? Everybody understands that. Isn't that right, my dear boys and girls? Sir, this though is very easy, sir. We all know it. So now I'll write the integral format of it. That also you guys will be able to comprehend. Okay. So I can say because integration is the reverse process of differentiation, I can say integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Did you all understand that? Everybody cool with it? Now this would have made things clear to you. Correct now? So this much if you guys have got, then let's move forward and look at a lot of formulas now. Okay? You guys have to note down. Just like what we did in differentiation. When you started off with differentiation, you did a lot of formulas, right? What are the formulas? Derivative of sin x, derivative of cos x, derivative of e power x, derivative of a power x. All that we did. Isn't that right? And you guys were comfortable after a while. Just like that, integration also we have some basic formulas which will help us survive, which will help us solve some basic questions. Okay. So we need to note them down. Are you ready? My dear boys and girls, is the introduction, the starting, cool with everybody? Yes? Please let me know in the chat, people. I want to see some energy. So shall I proceed? Are you guys okay? Fantastic. Very, very good. So what are we going to look at in this chapter, sir? What do you have in store for us over the next few lectures? So this is the plan, my dear boys and girls. We will be looking at your standard integrals today. So today is going to be a relatively easy and happy class for all of us. Okay. Then I'm going to teach you substitution method, some algebraic forms, partial fraction, integration by parts, and a lot more. Okay. So this what we are looking at is indefinite integration. Okay. Indefinite integration means integrating without limits. So in physics in 11th standard, you would have used limits while integrating, right? All of you know the basics of integration because you have to use it in 11th standard physics and in some places in chemistry also, right? Yeah. So you guys know a little bit. So when you have limits in the integral, you call it definite integration, which is the next chapter. Okay. So what I'm teaching you now is indefinite integration, which is the starting point of integral calculus. Got it? Everybody cool? So yeah, let's move forward, guys. Why do we need to do standard integrals? Because guys, just like differentiation, integration also runs on some standard formulae. With that only you will be able to solve and do questions quicker. So it's essential. So what are these formulas? Guys, brace yourself because I'm going to show you a lot of them and you guys have to note down. Okay. So please take down these formulas. I want you to take a screenshot or maybe you can write them down quickly. But I want you to be super duper fast. Okay. We're not going to spend a lot of time over here. Sir, should we know the derivation of all these? Please, no, it is not required. Just know the formula and as I give you questions, learn how to apply it. Because like I said, the world, the exams, education system, entrepreneurship, everything is moving to a direction where applicative mindset is important. Okay. So knowing what to do with what you know is more important. Got it? So that is what you have to develop and you will do that through these classes. That is how we have designed it. Got it? So yeah, please try to solve this, my dear boys and girls. Note it down, then we'll move forward. Sir, what do you mean by our knowledge of differentiation? So guys, if you look at it closely, you differentiate the right side, you will get the left side inside quantity. You differentiate log x, you will get 1 by x. Differentiate e power x, you will get e power x. Differentiate a power x by ln a, you will get a power x. Now do you understand why I called it integration as the reverse process of differentiation? Now I hope it makes sense. Isn't that right? Isn't that awesome? Happy everybody? So shall I move forward? Very good. Sir, only 4 formulas. Ha ha ha. Don't judge too fast. Okay. So shall we move forward? I hope you all have done it. So guys, the next set of formulas is over here. How do you understand them? Very simple. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of minus cos x is sin x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of minus cot x is cosecant square x. Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. Derivative of minus cosecant x is cosecant x cot x. So it's all based on your prior knowledge. So it is not something completely brand new that you're learning. It is known to you, but you're learning it in a new form. Okay. So yeah, that is why you need to keep looking at it, keep solving basic questions from your NCERT, CBSE textbooks. So when you do a lot of it, your foundation is set. By repeated application, it is retained in your mind, which is a good thing. Okay, so please do that, my dear children. Take it a bit more seriously, whatever I'm suggesting. Got it? All of you cool with it? Great, great, great. So with that said, people, next set of formulas. Yup, it's a never-ending list. Okay, so you differentiate this, you will get tan x. You differentiate this, you will get cot x. You differentiate this, you will get secant x. You differentiate this, you will get cosecant x. Okay, so if you want, you can try it out. But guys, these 4 are quite new formulas. I think they are important and you need to spend some time either memorizing them or learning them by practice. Sir, will you at least teach how to derive them down the line? Yes, I will derive some of these formulas down the line. I will teach you how to derive them. Okay, got it? But for now, I want you to just directly note it down. Cool? Fantastic. So if this is also done, people, then I'm moving forward to the next set of formulas on your screen, which involves inverse trigonometric functions. So guys, these we will use it too frequently in today's class. we'll use this too frequently in today's class. So please make a note of it, all three. Okay. That's about it. So these are all the formulas which you are supposed to know. That's it for now. Now using these formulas, we will look at some questions, manipulations, tricks, tips, and how to approach it. Okay. So it's going to be very fun filled because we have questions and questions for you guys. Are you ready? Everybody, let me know in the chat, people. Come on. Let me see some energy. Have you all noted it down? Everybody, if you guys have noted it down completely, then you are awesome, my dear. Very good. So people, I hope all of you have noted down everything. Now it's time for us to go for battle. But before we go for battle and solve some questions, I wanted to show you some manipulations of certain formulas, because some people will be like, sir, I referred this book, sir, special book, that they gave this formula in a different way, sir. They didn't give it like how you gave. They gave it like this or like this. Okay. So before that happens, I want to give you all the other variants of the same formula. So please note it down, guys. Okay. So sir, can an integral have more than one way of expressing? Yes, you can have. So the same integral secant x dx, I can express it in multiple ways also. Integral secant x dx, I can express it in multiple ways also. Got it? So you see, this is what I gave you, which was the first method. You can express it like this. How? Because guys, you know that secant x plus tan x is equal to 1 by secant x minus tan x. That's property of trigonometric functions, right? Trigonometric identity, basically. So using that, it simplifies like this. And how did this come? By writing it as sine and cos and simplifying it, you will get tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So all these manipulations are possible. I'm just giving it to you because some of you might see them in textbooks and you might get confused. Got it? All good? So same you can have for cosecant x also. Cosecant x also, you have three forms in which you can write it. I hope all of you are clear now. Okay. And guys, what are the parts of an integral? Integral symbol is given by this. Then you'll have a function. Then you'll have dx. So if you have the variable as x, you should have x over here. Okay. If you have a variable as y, then you should have dy. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Got it? And whatever you get as the output is called as the integral. And this is constant of integration. This is integral. This is integrand. Grand. Okay. And this is your final answer, which is your integral. Integral. And this is your integrand. Not TR, it's TE only. TG. Yep. Cool. Are you guys comfortable? I already mentioned that at the start. So integrand and then constant, integral symbol. This is integral and so on. Okay. Basics again. Cool. So all of you are okay now. Shall we proceed, people? Perfect. So now we put a full stop to all the theory. Shimon sir, enough. Please, you don't talk anymore. Give us some questions. Give us some examples to practice. Yes, guys, like I said, that's it. From now on, it's going to be only questions. Okay? Happy? Are you all excited? Great. So, before you go to questions, you need to know something to handle the questions, right? So that I want to teach you. So please listen. This is the last point which I want to convey. So let us say you have integral of first function plus or minus. That is, you're adding or subtracting another function inside the integral. So when you have addition or subtraction of two functions or three functions or how many other functions, you can split them. You can split the integrals. Okay. So I can take them out separately and then integrate it. Okay. So f1 dx I will integrate separately, then plus or minus, then f2 dx I will integrate. So that can be done. That is allowed in integration. So when you have addition or subtraction inside the integral, I can split the integral into integral of first function plus or minus integral of second function. Got it? And whenever you have a scalar, that is a constant multiplied to a function, that constant can be taken outside. Guys, this is very important. When you have a constant, you can take it out, not otherwise. Variables, you can't take it out. Don't tell me, sir, if I have x into, let's say, log x, sir, dx. Can I take log x outside, sir? Please don't do that, okay? Variables, you cannot take it out. You have to keep it inside only. Only when you have a constant. Let's say you have a number 3 here, then I can take the 3 outside. That is allowed, okay? But not variables. I hope I have made it clear. This is a very important point. People, please don't make mistakes here. Got it? So now, people, it's time for you all to answer. I hope you are ready. If not, let me make you ready. So the first question for you all is right on your screen. So you all take your time and do it. Go back, search the formulas. Which formula should I use for this particular question? And then get it right. Okay. I will give you a lot of time, but people, I want you to answer correct. Okay. So I will give you a hotspot with 2 options. A is true, B is false, and your time will begin shortly. Everybody be ready with your answers. We will resume in just 20 seconds. Done? So let's get started. Your hotspot begins now. Go for it, my dear boys and girls. I want all of y'all to participate. Okay. We should have complete participation. That would make me really happy. Come on, guys. Try doing that. Okay. Last 10 seconds, people. I'm going to close it down. So make sure you have filled in your responses. Yes? Okay. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it. That ends your time. The answer is option B, false. How, sir? How is it false? I will reveal it to you. But all those who said option B, you guys are next level. Very good, very good. I am super duper happy. So how do you do this? So integral f of x dx. So use the properties. Use what I taught you. Use what I taught you. So when you have two functions summed inside the integral, you can split the integral as integral of first function plus integral of second function. Now this looks like integral x to the power n dx. What will that be? That will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Do not forget the plus c, my dear children. Okay. In board exam especially, they are very serious about it. Okay. So it will be x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c plus integral sine x is minus cos x plus another constant. You can take d. Don't put c again. Okay. So the answer is x to the power 6 by 6 minus cos x plus c plus d is another constant. You can keep it as e. So this is my final answer. Sir, what are you doing, sir? C, D, E. So guys, the first integral gave me c as constant of integration. The second integral gave me d as constant of integration. C plus d is also a constant only, no? Instead of having c plus d, two terms, big, I just wrote e. It's up to you. You can write what you want. You can put k. Okay. Got it? Was it legendary? How did you guys enjoy it? Was it good? Did you learn something out of this? Yep. Now are you ready for some action? For some practice questions? Everybody, please let me know in the chat quickly. Are you guys able to grasp whatever we have covered so far? Yep. Very good, my dear children. Awesome. Keep it up. I want you to maintain this energy and excitement over the next 1 hour because we have a long way to go. Okay. So let's move forward and have a look at some questions where we will use these standard integrals which I taught you. So guys, obviously you're all at a place where we train people for top ranks in competitive exams. So I'm not going to give you laddu questions. I will give you questions where you have to use your brain, manipulate, then use the formula. Got it? As soon as you see the question, it's not like, oh, Shimon sir, this is first formula. Shimon sir, this is second formula. That everybody can do. Okay. But I will give you questions where you have to think a little bit, bring it to the formulas which I gave you, and then solve it. Understood? So primarily, we are going to develop that skill, manipulation skill. Got it? So let's get started, people. You have a set of few questions coming up. Everybody ready? Shall we go for it? So these are your questions for all the fast ones. Sir, give me everything. I'll solve it in like that I'll do, sir. So you can take a screenshot and you can keep trying. The others, everybody who want to travel with me, the slowest person, please ride along with me. I'll do it one by one. Okay. Got it? Everybody ready? Let's go. The very first question. Sir, you didn't give this formula, sir. Of course, man. I told you now only. I won't give you direct formula. Sir, then how to do this, sir? You can do it. With what I taught you, you can do it. Okay? Try. Make an effort. Make an effort. Okay? Even if you go wrong, it's okay. I'll correct you. But you have to try. Okay? You can't just come watch what I do. I'm not going to write the exam. My days are done. I cleared. I was a state topper. Okay? I went into IIT Madras. I graduated. But you guys have to get in, nah? So, you have to work. Got it? So please do that. And people, I hope you're all doing these session assignments, okay? Take them seriously. And also the tests. You have to be regular to the tests. Treat it very seriously. Because tests will expose where you are weak, where you are strong. So take tests, assignments pretty seriously and do them on time. Got it? Okay. Sir, please help, sir. Let's do it. So guys, you need to use your prior knowledge of trigonometry over here. What prior knowledge of trigonometry? So guys, you all are aware that your tan square x is nothing but secant square x minus 1. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, you have to do that. Okay. So it's going to be integral secant square x minus 1 dx. Now use the property which I taught you. When you have a difference of two functions inside the integral, I can split them. I can split the integral as integral of first one minus integral of second one. So let's do that. So it will be integral of secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. Sir, now it came, sir. What formula you gave? This formula you gave, sir, it is tan x. Sir, you didn't write plus c. So guys, as we go forward, integrate completely and put a final plus c. Okay, no need to put plus c everywhere, guys. Okay, no need to put plus c everywhere. After you integrate, put 1 plus c at the end. That's enough. Got it? So integral of 1 is how much? Sir, integral 1 you gave no formula, sir. Hello, I gave. How, sir? I checked it properly. Integral 1 you did not give. Integral 1 can be written as x to the power 0 dx. So that is nothing but x to the power 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so that is how you do it. Yes. So the answer is x. Okay. So tan x minus x plus c is the answer for this question. I hope all of you liked it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody happy? Now did you understand what I mean by manipulation? One step only. That is what I am testing you on. That one manipulation from here to here. That is the important part. Okay. So yeah, with that people, let's go to the next question. I'm sure all of you must have understood it by now. So let's go march on to the next one. Come on, everybody try to do it. Everybody try to do it. Quick, 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 quick. Come on, people. Again, observe. What should you do to bring it to something we already know? Think in that direction. Okay. Very good, very good. I am very sure some of you have cracked it. So guys, yes, you're all right. You should multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by secant x plus tan x. I will multiply and divide by secant x plus tan x. Why? It will be revealed to you in a short while. So when I do this, I will get secant x plus tan x in the numerator. And in the denominator, I'll get secant square x minus tan square x. How? Because we have, my dear children, a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Nah? So that will be what? Secant square x minus tan square x is 1 from trigonometric identities. So it just becomes secant x plus tan x dx. So by using properties of integration, I can write it as integral secant x dx plus integral tan x dx. Both of which you know. Over. That's it. Both these formulas I have given you. So you guys can plug in and then get the answer. Are you all happy? Does that make sense, my dear boys and girls? I hope all of you are able to grasp the way I have solved it. Everybody, please let me know, guys. How is the Josh? How are you guys enjoying the class so far? So far, so good? Yup. Then let me know, guys. Come on. I need your energy to support me and carry me throughout the class. Very good. So yeah, this is your final answer. Please make sure you also got the same. Integral of secant x is ln secant x plus tan x. There are other formulas also. It's up to you what you want to use. And integral tan x is minus ln cos x. Okay, done. So with that, let's move forward. Great job, people. All those who got it right, well done. So now moving on to the third, fourth and fifth question. Fatafat, it's all. Okay, we'll do it quick. Think. What should I do here? How? What do we do here? So guys, 1 plus cos 2x now. I will write it as your 2 cos square x. How? Trigonometry. Trigonometry is very important, people. It is indirectly used heavily in calculus. Okay, so you need to be really strong in trigonometry. Make sure you are revising the formulas. Got it? So now once you do that, it becomes a piece of cake. So you have 1 by 2 cos square x dx. So I told you, a scalar, a constant can be taken outside your integral. And you have 1 by cos square x dx. Correct now? So that I will write as 1 by 2. Integral of 1 by cos square x is what? 1 by cos square x is just secant square x dx. So secant square x integral, we know it is nothing but tan x. Correct? Plus c. Over. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Sir, you should write c by 2, sir. You made a mistake. Guys, it doesn't matter. C by 2. Everything is a constant. So don't worry too much about it. Because initially I know students are very excited and always held on to the constant. I hope you are able to understand how I'm dealing with it. Got it? So don't worry too much. Don't have to write it as c by 2 and all that. Did you get what I'm saying? So what I was saying is like integral of secant square x is what? It is tan x plus c. Nah? So students want me to write it here. And then when I open it, it will become tan x by 2 plus c by 2. I'm saying it's not necessary because the c by 2 is also a constant only. No, that you can write it as some other c. Got it? So don't be too much held on to that constant too much. Clear? Fantastic. So with that, fatafat, fourth question. Let's move fast. So this is the answer. I hope you all have understood. Can you see here? They have written directly C only. Cool. So like I said, always integrate. In the last step, you just put a plus C. That's enough. So this is the next question. Come on, people. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, everybody. So how do we solve this question? So here, cos square, directly there's no formula. But I can simplify it. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So when I multiply by 2, it becomes 2 cos square x by 2. What is 2 cos square x by 2 by trigonometry? 2 cos square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos x. Got it? So it's going to be half integral of 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. So that is equal to what? I can integrate that like integral 1 dx plus integral cos x dx. Cool. So that's it, people. Integral of 1 is what? I already taught you it is x. Integral of cos x is plus sin x. Okay. Don't tell minus sin x. It is plus sin x. Okay. So that is the way you do it. I hope you're all clear with it. Did you all like it? So we have x plus sin x by 2 plus c, which is exactly what I got. Cool. So shall we move to the next one? The last one, the fifth question, after which we'll have some quizzes. We'll have some challenges for all my lovely boys and girls. So this is the fifth question. Everybody try it out quickly, quickly, quickly. So if you have got it until now, whatever I've discussed so far, if you have understood and if you have solved it, great job. Absolutely awesome. Okay, so now try this question out. Again, guys, you have to use trigonometry knowledge. So yeah, think, and then do it. Okay, so here I'll give you one hint. Cos 2x, you can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so the numerator will become what? Cos x minus 2 cos square x plus 1. Divided by, you will have 1 minus cos x dx. So now what you need to do, sir, it looks so complicated. You never gave any formula like that. But guys, you can actually simplify this. You can simplify this, bring it to a form where you can apply the formula which I gave and you can crack it. Got it? So yeah, please go for it, my dear boys and girls. Everybody try. What you should do now, try to factorize your numerator, which is a quadratic. You all know how to factorize quadratic, right? We have been doing that since childhood. So yeah, do that now. Everybody should do it. Come on, guys. I want you to be super fast. Yes. Very good. So when you factorize it, you will get like this. 2 cos x minus 1 into what you will have? 1 minus cos x. Is that right? Can you guys check it? Yep. Or is it 2 cos x plus 1? Can you guys check it? Is it plus 1 or minus 1? It should be plus 1, right? And then divided by, you have 1 minus cos x. Got it? Please confirm, guys. Please confirm. I want you all to try it on your own. Sir, how did you factorize, sir? Guys, just the normal way we do it. Okay, splitting off middle term. When you do that to this quadratic, you will get this. So now you see something common in the numerator and denominator? Yes, sir. Now did it become a laddu question? You got 2 cos x plus 1 into dx, which is a very simple integral, because you can write it as integral of 2 cos x dx plus integral of 1 dx. So that will be what? 2 sin x plus x plus c. All good? Everybody got the same? If you guys got the same, then give me a thumbs up. And if you got it before me, then you are awesome. So that is how you do it, people. I hope you all liked it. If it is clear, then we shall march forward. Yup. So shall we march forward, people? Yes. Is integration good? Are you guys able to appreciate it? It's fun, right? It'll get even more interesting in the next class. Will it become tough? I wouldn't say exactly tough. It will become more interesting and exciting. Okay. Of course, there are a few tough areas. I will teach you and tell you where it comes. Don't worry about it. Okay, we will do it slowly so that it becomes easier and happy for you. Got it? So people, with that said, let us move forward to one doubt which normally students have, which you might have had. You might have even typed it in the chat. Shimon sir, why is this happening? So that I will answer it now. But we will go there inside. Okay, so let's go to the doubt. What doubt, sir? I never had any. Some of you would have had for sure. So let me address that. What is that doubt? Why do we write constant of integration? Why? Just why, sir? It's because, like I said, integration is a reverse process of differentiation. So my dear boys and girls, what is derivative of sin x? Sir, easy, sir. Cos x. What is derivative of sin x plus 1? Sir, that is also cos x. What is derivative of sin x plus root 3, which is a constant? Sir, that is also cos x. So what is derivative of sin x plus any constant? That is also cos x, sir. So when I integrate cos x, I should get only sin x. I should get only sin x plus 1. If I integrate cos x, should I get only sin x plus root 3? I should be able to account for every possibility. And that is why we add a constant. Got it? Awesome. Did you all like it? So this is the reason why we add a constant, because the derivative of sin x plus any constant is going to be cos x only. So the integral of cos x should be sin x plus c. Cool. I hope this has clarified and cleared up a lot of things in your mind. So with that said, people, let's keep marching on. Now we have a quiz. Are you ready? Everybody. Very good. So the quiz for you all is right on your screen. All of you try to solve it. I want max participation. Go for it, guys. Quick, 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 quick. I'm going to give you 1 minute to think and 30 seconds to solve. Okay, not more than that. Are you all done? Yep. Ready with your answers? Because I'm going to begin your quiz in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Come on, people. Everybody try to solve it. And try to be quick, okay? Last 20 seconds. Hurry up, people. Everybody try to finish it off. Fantastic. Last 10 seconds. And your time is about to get over. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Finish. So this is your fastest fingers list for this particular quiz. As you all can see, these people were very fast. They are the top 10 quickest answers of our class. Let me also show you the overall distribution, okay? Because that is what I as a teacher am interested in. I want everybody to do well. So that is option C. So option C, the green bar indicates those who answered right. Well done, boys and girls. Now I'll explain how to solve it. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I will write cos x by sin square x. I'll write as sin x into sin x. So this can be written as cos x by sin x is what? Cos x by sin x is cot x. And 1 by sin x is what? 1 by sin x is cosecant x. So this I have given a formula. Go and check it out. What is integral cot x cosecant x? It is going to be minus cosecant x plus c. Okay. So that is why the answer is option C. I hope all of you are now clear with it. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it now? Are you ready for the next quiz? Everybody? Yes? So I have another quiz coming up, people. If you all got it right, this one, then it's time to increase your lead by solving the next one also correctly. Okay? All of you ready? Yes? Fantastic. Let's go. My dear boys and girls, the next question for you all is right over here on your screen. Try to solve it. Come on, guys. Quick, quick, quick. I want you to be ultra fast. Cot square x. Is there a direct formula for that? No. I did not give you any direct formula for that. Then how do you solve it? Think. So people, I'll give you 30 seconds, after which I'm going to start the time. Are you all ready? So people, I will begin your quiz in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, people. Last 15 seconds. Quick, quick, quick. Come on, boys and girls. Don't give up. I want all of you to answer. Even if it is wrong, it's okay. I'm here to teach you and help you. Done? Very good. So now we are going to look at the fastest fingers list. So as you all can see over here, this is the list of quickest answers of our class for this particular question. Okay, did everybody get it right? That is something which you have to think about. Okay, going fast is fine, but only till that moment you are right. If you go fast and get it wrong, then no point. So make sure your accuracy is also good. What is the right answer over here? The answer over here is option B. How is it option B? Let's have a look at it. Okay. So integral of cot square x, my dear boys and girls, I can write it as, from my trigonometric identity knowledge, I know that cot square x is what? Any idea? We'll have it as cosecant square x minus 1. Correct na? So I can split it as cosecant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. So what is integral of cosecant square x? It is minus cot x. What is integral of x? It is x. That's it. I got my answer. Did you all love it? Are you all happy with this, my dear boys and girls? Everybody cool? Fabulous, isn't it? Very simple and easy to follow. That's it. That is the way you do it. I hope all of you are happy. So that marks the halfway point for this class. I hope you all enjoyed it so far. So it's time for you guys to see and reflect upon your performance. How you have done so far in this class. I want you to go and have a look. So please do that and then we'll continue, guys. So it is going to be on your screen now. Welcome back, boys and girls. I hope all of you saw your performance so far. So now it's time to build on it, improvise, and end the class on a very high note. Okay, I believe that you guys will do that. So let's continue, people, in style. Let's go. So now what are we going to do? So now we are going to move on to the other set of formulas, because so far what I've dealt with is trigonometry. And you guys are like, sir, how much trigonometry you will ask? Give us something more. No, you gave so many formulas, so many variety you gave, but you keep asking questions only on trigonometry. What about the other ones? When will we learn them? So now is the time where we go to the other ones and we'll explore how to manipulate in those cases. Okay, I hope you're all ready. We are going to learn directly through questions and examples. Make sure you have the formulas beside you. Initially, it's fine. I allow you guys to go through it because I understand it's your first class. So initially 2-3 classes, it's okay to have the formula beside you. But guys, down the line, you should ideally have it in memory. It should be here. The book should go here. Okay, so make sure that happens. So let's solve, people. Let's go for some action. Here we go. The very first question is on your screen. Please try to solve it. Sir, you said trigonometry is over. No, it will be soon over. Don't worry. Guys, we have other formulas also coming in. Don't worry. It is just a starter question. Okay. So finish it off. Then we'll move forward. So how do you solve this question? Very simple again. So you just split it. So I can write it as 3 by 5 cos square x minus 4 sin x by cos square x. 5 cos square x. I can write as 5 cos x into cos x. Got it? So I can write this as integral of 3 by 5. 1 by cos square x, I can write as secant square x dx. I can split the integral. Minus, I'll have 4 by 5 integral of sin x by cos x is what? Sin x by cos x is tan x. And 1 by cos x is what? Secant x. So now it's a very simple one. So it's going to be 3 by 5. What is the integral of secant square x? That we already know. It is going to be tan x. Minus 4 by 5. What is integral of secant x tan x? Integral of secant x tan x is secant x plus c. So that is my final answer. I hope all of you liked it. Are you happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Please let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, and then we'll move forward. Shall we? Everybody? Yes? Great, great, great. So if all of you are cool with these kind of questions, then we'll move forward. But anyway, let me give you some quiz also. Okay. Not so fast escape from trigonometry. But anyway, let's proceed. Are you guys cool till here? Can I give you a challenge? Can I give you a quiz? Quizzes are scored, okay? I hope you know that. If you do well in quizzes, you will be in the leaderboard. So do take them seriously and try to participate. So let's go. Everybody now onto a quiz. The quiz question is right on your screen. Please try to solve it. It is exactly based on what I gave you just now. So it should be a piece of cake. This question should be a piece of cake. So please don't take too much time. It's exactly same as what I taught you. I should say probably easier than what I taught you. Okay. So don't go wrong. Don't go wrong. Nobody should go wrong. So people, shall I start? Shall I start the quiz? Are you guys ready? Yep. Okay. So your quiz will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it. Your quiz begins now. Go for it. I want 100% participation. So do the same process, guys. Just split it and then see what happens. Last 5 seconds. Your time is running out. So hurry up, my dear boys and girls. Everybody. So that's it. This is your fastest fingers list. As all of you can see, we have very, very quick answers here also. Insane speed, isn't it? Very good. And overall distribution is as shown on your screen now. What was the right answer? The right answer was option C. Why option C is right, sir? Because, guys, once you split it, you will get like this. You will get what? 4 by cos square x minus 5 sin x by cos x into cos x. Okay, now I'm going to split it. So if I split it, I'll get 4 into 1 by cos square x dx minus 5 into integral of sin x by cos x is what? Sin x by cos x is tan x. And 1 by cos x is secant x. Now it becomes easy now. So it's 4 secant square x integral is tan x. Minus 5 secant x tan x integral is secant x. Plus c. So that is how you do it. Are you all happy? My dear boys and girls. Did you all enjoy it so far? So far so good? Yeah? Awesome, right? So that is how you do it. These are all very small manipulations which you are learning, guys. Okay. It's not fancy, I know. But it'll increase your confidence as we progress. Okay. Which is what I want. Because once you're confident, you will take on anything. I know that. So Ready for the next one? What, sir? Again, one more quiz. Yes. Today you have lots of quizzes and I know you guys love them. So are you ready? Shall we? Very good, children. So I want another electric performance from you, like our thunderbolt. Okay. Cool. So let's go to the next one, which is right on your screen now. Everybody try to solve it. It is a beautiful question. Okay, go for it. So you have tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x cot x when you expand this. Correct now? A plus b whole square, guys. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x cot x. Then you see what's happening. You will see something nice happening. Okay. So try doing that. That's why. Come to my class with pen and paper. Otherwise, it's no point. You're not watching a movie here. Okay. So you need to bring your pen and book here. So yeah, try it out last 30 seconds. I'm going to start it. I'm going to start it very soon. So yeah, please be fast, people. Okay. So what happens? You will have to open the square. You will have tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x cot x. But we all know that your tan x is equal to 1 by cot x, right? Because they are reciprocal of each other. So what is tan x into cot x? Tan x into cot x is 1. So this will become 1. So the question becomes integral tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 into 1, which is 2 into dx. So that is how your question looks like. Now you guys can try it out. I have made it a bit easier now. I hope you're all ready because your time is going to begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Come on, people. Everybody try to solve it and give me the right answer. Last 10 seconds. Your time is running out. So, people, you have to be fast. Done. Okay. So, this is your fastest fingers list. The list of top 10 quickest answers of our class. But let us see the overall distribution. How many people actually have made it right? And what was the right answer? The right answer for this question, my dear boys and girls, was option A over here. Okay. So option A, all those who got, fabulous work. Keep it up. Okay. So how do we get option A, sir? So people, if you observe carefully, I will split this 2 as 1 plus 1. I'll give 1 to tan square x. And I'll give 1 to cot square x. Now I'll split it. I'll split it as tan square x plus 1 dx plus cot square x plus 1 dx. Is that okay? Now do you see what's happening? What is 1 plus tan square x? 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x dx. Now I gave you formula for this. This is tan x. And I gave you formula for this. It is minus cot x plus c. That is how we do it. Did you love it? Was it epic? Was it epic? Did you guys enjoy it? Are you happy? So all those who got this answer, very well done. You all deserve a big round of applause. Okay. So that's about it, guys. Now with the chat open, I want to give you all a discussion question. Okay. So I want you all to discuss about this question and let me know what is the answer. Here we go. Come on, people. All of you. Try to participate. I want the class to work together. Yep. Please do it. Come on. What is the answer for this? Is it A or B or C or D? Any idea? What is the answer? Done. So all those who said C, you guys are right and you deserve a big appreciation. And those who are wondering how, sir, let me explain, my dear. So the way you do it is, first divide by x. So you'll have 5 plus 7 by x dx. Then using properties of integration, split it. So it's 5 dx plus 7 by x dx. Okay, so 5 dx is 5x and 7 by x dx is 7 ln x. And then you have an integration constant. That's it. So that is why it is option C, which is the right answer. I hope all of you are clear. Cool. So basically what you do, you take 5 outside this integral, right? Because it's a scalar. And similarly 7 outside the second integral because it is a scalar. So then you will end up with whatever I wrote here as the answer. I hope that makes sense. Got it? So shall we march forward? You guys ready? Very good. So let us move forward for some more action. Now I really mean it. Now we really are moving away from trigonometry. Okay. So this is what I was waiting for. I just told it a bit earlier. Okay. So guys, all cool. Shall we get started? Ready? Let's go. So this is the next set of questions for you. So we will do all of them one by one. So in case you guys want to try it together, you can take a screenshot here and you can keep trying. Okay. So shall we go for it? Shall we get started? Yup. All ready. Let's go. The very first question is on your screen. Everybody try to participate. I want you guys to get it right. It is not so difficult. I'm pretty sure all of you can answer it. So yeah, give it a try. Give it a try. So you have to evaluate this integral. So I gave you one formula. You remember, right? So integral of a power x is what? Integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by ln a plus c. So that's the only formula you need to use for this question. So guys, what I'll do here is I'll split it as 2 power x by 5 power x plus 3 power x by 5 power x. That's the first step. I'm going to do it step by step so that all of you can grasp it. Then I'll write it as 2 by 5 whole power x plus 3 by 5 whole power x dx. Then I'm going to split it. So I'm going to write it as 2 by 5 whole power x dx plus integral 3 by 5 whole power x dx. Now it's direct formula, right? Your A is 2 by 5. So the answer is 2 by 5 whole power x by ln 2 by 5. Plus this will be 3 by 5 whole power x by ln 3 by 5. Plus C. That's it. Did you like it? Did you all like it? How many of you got it? I have done it step by step. I hope you're all clear. Very simple, now. Isn't that easy? My dear boys and girls, are you all ready to move on to the next one? Yup. Let me know in the chat how you guys enjoyed it. So this is your answer. Pretty simple, small manipulation. Now, as we move forward, we will look at some crazy manipulations also in the coming classes. Okay. These are all just preview of what is to come. This is just baby stuff. Okay. Got it? All good? Fantastic, people. So with that, let us go forward to the next question. Now, how do you manipulate here? You guys have to think about. Go for it, everybody. Think. I'll give you probably a few seconds time to think, then I'll start. So what do you do here? So here the way we handle it is very unique. This is the beauty of math. So we have x power 4 by x square plus 1, right? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to subtract 1 and add 1 to the numerator. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in doing that. What did I do? I subtracted 1 and I added 1 to my numerator. And then I can split it like this. Is that okay? Sir, what is the advantage, sir? Hello. It is a big advantage because x power 4 plus 1 is nothing but x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. So, x power 4 minus 1 by x square plus 1 is basically x square minus 1. So, the first term can be written as x square minus 1 dx plus integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. So this is very easy to integrate. It is x cubed by 3 minus x. Okay. Plus, what is this integral? That is nothing but tan inverse of x. Go and check your formula. That's it, over. This is my answer. I hope you all loved it. Are you all clear with this, my dear boys and girls? Was it amazing? Was it exciting? Yes. Did you love it? So this is the way you approach questions of integration. So you reduce it to something you know and you solve it. Reduce it to something you know and then you solve it. How do you reduce it? That is manipulation. Okay. So are you all cool with this? Shall I move forward? Everybody happy? If you're not happy so far, then give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo and a fire in the chat. And then we'll proceed forward to the next one. Yes, people? Are you all with me? Great. So now let us go to the next question and see how to approach this one. So again, here what are we using? In the previous question, I used a plus b into a minus b. And here we need to use a cube plus b cube. So when I dealt with trigonometric integration, I used trigonometric identity. When I'm dealing with algebraic integration, I am bringing in algebraic identity. Are you able to see that? So I'm trying to use my knowledge of algebraic identities to solve these questions. Got it? So here, what I'm using, my dear boys and girls, is your a cube plus b cube formula to simplify my numerator. My numerator, I can write it like this. So that can be written as a plus b into a square plus b square plus or minus ab. It is minus ab, right? Yeah? Everybody cool with that? So that will be my numerator. A cube plus b cube formula is very important. It is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So if I plug it in the numerator, if I put that in the numerator, what will I get? Come on, people, everybody. So x square plus 1, x square plus 1 will cancel. Now it becomes a laddu integral. It becomes a laddu integral. Okay. X power 4 is what? X power 5 by 5. Integral 1 is what? X. Integral x square is what? X cube by 3 plus c. That's it. Are you all clear? Did we get that? Yup. Are you able to understand it now, my dear boys and girls? Everybody, please let me know quickly if you're all having fun. Was it a fire question? If it was a firecracker question, we need to celebrate. All good? So yeah, people, that's about it. I hope you're all clear. Now I want to give you guys a discussion question. Do you think this is right? So I've kept the chat open. I want you guys to discuss amongst yourself and come to a conclusion. Do you think this is right? What I've done here? Think about it and answer me in the chat. Okay, let me see how many of you are able to crack it. Come on, people. Quick. Hurry up. What is the answer over here? Is it true or false? Just give me a true or false in the answer. Go for it, quick. The answer is false. All those who said false, you guys are right. It is not true. Because, guys, only for variable raised to the power constant, it is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But here you have constant raised to the power some variable. Then you have to use a power x formula. Which will give me this answer to be 7 to the power x by ln 7 plus c. That is my answer. Okay. So 7 to the power x by ln 7 plus c. That is the correct answer. Okay. So please don't make such mistakes. The reason I've asked this is because some people get confused when you're learning it for the first time. So better avoid such errors. Got it? So people, that's about it. We have quizzes. 2 more quizzes left out. Are you all ready? Are you all excited for it? Yep. So we'll see those quizzes and let's see who is at the top of the leaderboard at the end of today's class. I am really curious to see because we had a lot of quizzes, isn't it? So guys, these are your chances, last 2 chances to make it into the leaderboard. So better be awake and answer it correctly. Okay. But after the drum roll, it is not a quiz. It is a doubt which you might have that I need to address. While solving questions, how to judge what manipulation should I use? Obviously, this should be there in your mind. So like I said, people, look for the manipulation which will simplify your expression. Haven't you observed that in whatever I did so far, I have used identities or substitutions or manipulations which made my life easy, which simplified my expression. So that is the first thought process. The second is, after simplification, it has to give you something whose integral you know. After simplification, it has to give you something whose integral you know. So these two should be your guiding points. Got it? So practice keeping these 2 points in mind from NCERT, session assignment and Tattva material. You will be unstoppable. Nobody can stop you. Trust me on that. Okay? Work hard. So with that said, are you ready, my dear boys and girls? Everybody? So let's go. So this is the first question for you all. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, people. These are all interesting questions. So I will help you a little bit because they are not very easy. So I'll keep helping you every now and then. Okay. But yeah, initially you guys can try. You all can think on your own. Everybody done? Okay, so let's solve it. Let's solve the first step. So first step is open your numerator. Your numerator is going to be a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by x into 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, the way I'm going to separate it is, I'm going to club this first and then this. Okay. So when I do that, what will happen? You will have integral of 1 by x plus 2 by 1 plus x square. Did I make it easy? Did I make it easy for you guys? Yeah? So that is how you are supposed to manipulate. Okay? That is how you are supposed to manipulate. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last 10 seconds, guys. Hurry up, everybody. That's it. Time is up, and here we have the fastest fingers list. The list of top 10 quickest answers of our class. And let me also show you the right answer. The right answer was option A. So all those who got A, you guys are absolutely right. Brilliant effort, guys. Keep it up. Brilliant effort. So after this, you just need to integrate it. So what is integral of 1 by x? It is ln x plus integral of 2 by 1 plus x square is 2. 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. Got it? Plus c is the integration constant. So that is how you do it. That is why answer is option A. For those who are wondering how did it come from here to here, guys, split it now. You will get it like this, right? When you split it, you will get it like this. I hope that is clear. Okay, that you should understand. Anyway, now I think you should have got it. So this and this will cancel. Here, this and this will get cancelled. That's how I got this. Okay. So does that make sense now? Because the next quiz is based on this. The next quiz is very similar to what we did now. You need to again manipulate and do some changes. Are you guys happy? Are you ready for the last challenge? Come on, guys. Where is the energy that I'm looking for? Everybody, let me know in the chat. Quick. Okay, the last quiz is over here. Everybody try to solve it. And your time will begin shortly. Okay, go for it. So I'll give you a hint once you guys are done trying. Okay, I'll give you a hint after 30 seconds. So what is the hint? Have you guys got the first breakthrough? The breaking point is what is important. If you guys got the breakthrough, then it's a piece of cake. You can just finish it off. You can just steamroll through it. Okay, so the manipulation is you add and subtract 1 to the numerator. What did I do? I added 1 and I subtracted 1 to the numerator. So now you club these two, and then separate it. So you'll have x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 sine square x plus cos square x minus 1 by sine square x into x square plus 1 dx. Got it? So now can you guys finish it off? I have made it a bit easy. You just need to open your eyes and see what is there. Yeah? So with that, people, I'm going to start your quiz in 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to begin your quiz now. Go for it. Last 15 seconds. Hurry up, my dear boys and girls. Everybody go for it. Very good. That's it. That ends your time. Okay. Now let us have a look at the answer for this. The right answer for this question, my dear boys and girls, was option B. How is it option B? We will have a look at it. So here is a list of the quickest fingers, the quickest answers of our class, and overall distribution is as shown over here. It was option B, which is the right answer. So how do we do it? So guys, you can cancel x square plus 1, x square plus 1. So the first one will become 1 by sine square x, which is cosecant square x dx. Second one, what is 1? Cos square x minus 1. Cos square x minus 1 is minus sine square x. So sine square x and sine square x will cancel. I'll be left out with minus integral of 1 by x square plus 1 dx. That's it. So this is nothing but direct formula, minus cot x. This is also direct formula, tan inverse of x plus c. So which is why option B is the right answer. Did you all love it? Was it epic? Did you guys enjoy it so far? Awesome, isn't it? So that is the way you do it, my dear boys and girls. I hope you all liked it. With that, we will conclude the session. You guys can go have a look at your performance for the entire class and then be back for the leaderboard. Okay. So go have a look at it, people. and then we'll see the summary of the session and leaderboard. All good? Okay. So I hope all of you saw your performance throughout the session. So come back much, much stronger and more well prepared in the next session so that you can keep improving. Okay. So today, what did we see? What is the summary? So we started off with integration. We started integral calculus officially today, and we looked at some standard integrals, lots of formulas which you guys have to retain in your memory. By the next class, make sure you guys are all thorough in them. Okay. And whatever manipulations I did were very basic. So practice them from your NCRT and keep growing. Got it? So with that said, people, it's time for us to have a look at the leaderboard standings for the day. So congrats to all those who made it to the top. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, people. Each and every person who made it to the leaderboard, hats off to your effort, because I know that it is because of your consistent hard work that you have made it here. So keep it up. Congrats and all the very best to everybody who participated, who tried to make a impact. Okay. So next time, come prepared, solve the questions, because it's a new beginning. All of you are at the same level. So you can still take it as an opportunity to fight for it. Got it, my dear children? So come back well prepared in the next class. I want to see new names, new people taking on the top spots. Okay. So let me now take a moment to appreciate those people who got top 3 positions in the leaderboard. Let's have a big, big, big round of applause and celebration for them. Keep it up, guys. Okay. So I want the others to also try to make it into the top 3. Let's see what happens in the next session. Okay.